Is it something made?
Yeah.
If it is something made, then I would be able to take my hand, leaving the shadow there.
Created.
If it is created, okay, it's created, right? Okay, let's say, then now I created it. That means I didn't create it, isn't it? See, our basic perception has a problem. We feel that something created. No, ladies and gentlemen, causes are coming together and it's being creating. This is not made. This is being made. Each and every moment, it's being made. Do you understand this? It's not fixed, something made, something done, something stagnant, something continuous is there. No, it's continuously being made. Do you understand this? Right? Now tell me. Is it different now?
Yeah.
Did it change?
Yeah.
Did it change? Can you say it changed? No, you can't say it changed. Why? There's nothing made here to change to here. This moment, it's being made due to causes. When different causes come together, then what happens? The effect is different. Ladies and gentlemen, this is effect. What you can see here is an effect. These are the causes. The board, light, hand are the causes. When causes come together, coming into contact, then what happens? The effect manifests. Did you get that, sir? Huh? If you didn't understand it, you can. Even though we perceive something is being made, something made, but what I am saying is it's not made, it's being made all the time.
Something generated.
It's continuously generating ing. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, we call being. Being is not being. Being is being. Be-ing. See, the words have these meanings. We didn't see them. No, this is being. If I were to explain you, who are you? In simpler way. Not like shout, but that's why you can't say this changed to this. No, this is this moment. This is this moment. One moment is not continuously there. That moment, that moment, that moment, that moment. Now tell me, what is the time? No. Now tell me.
No.
What is the time?
Present.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a time there. It's a sense of time. It's not one entity is passing. Because the ignorant mind feels fixedness. This mind starts to experience something is passing. Because this self is the same self before. This self is going to be there in the next self, next moment. See, now it starts to experience future, past, present. Because of the fixedness.